Hello friends, welcome to another weekly dose of railways. Let's have quick recap. Now let's start today's episode. Russian Railway of Switzerland attempted a world record by running world's longest passenger train, and they succeeded. The train, with 100 coaches and total length of 1910 meters, entered into Guinness Book of World Records. Car stuck while crossing rail, but luckily train speed was less and accident averted. If you want to feature your video on this channel, submit it to link given in description. Also, thanks button is activated if you like the video. Train plowing through heavy snow.
You got a long ways here. We're steering up here from about a mile east of Bethune to the bridge about 2 miles west of Bethune.
Car stuck on a rail crossing due to snow and got hit by continuously honking train. Road sign on a tram track. Don't know purpose of that. If anyone know, comment it below. Looks like steam train making clouds in snowy days. Steam engine releases lots of steam before departing with little wheel slip. Please like, share video and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon. All the sources will be linked in the description. Thanks for watching and we will meet next week.